patay ko. 001 man din itong sa speakers, no? Sige lang, ito lang usbon later. So IP add 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0 enter, no shot. Muna dili sila ma-work kay ano man. Look at this one, int S001 man din na. Crazy. Ako lang yung no IP add. Okay, ana lang. Enter. Int SE001. And right click paste. Enter. No shot. So there. Okay. So we are going to put OSPF in between. Saman, mas mayo siguro. And then dayon na lang din nato, no? We are going to put interface configuration for all. Then we'll put IP address here. Or sige lang, unahon sa nato we'll put OSPF in between para makita nato kung unsa ang yang IP route nga re. Okay? So here, take note, this is router OSPF 1, then network 192.168.0.0.0.255. Mo na iyang area 1 na siya. Okay, because this part here is R1, area 0 man dito nga part. Okay, tanaw na to kung nakakuha ba siya dayon, makakonect ba silang duha. Okay, sir, wala lagi router ID. We initially put a router ID already way back, di ba? Okay, then we transfer here, then we are going to configure. This time we are going to put our router ID. So this is already router ID 4 naman di ba? So host name, butala nato R1 dash area 1. Okay, so ana lang para klaro kayo. Then router OSPF 1, then ato butang router ID 4.4.4.4, enter. Network, what network? So there are two network present here, the 192.168.1.0 0.0.0.255 area 1, and the other one is 2.0 area 1. There. So kung kabantay mo that the 4 now, no, that the 4 router is connected via 2.2.2.2 on serial 001. So meaning sa serial 001 na to nakakonekta sa 2.2.2.2. Then we will inspect unsa karon ang IP route ani niya. Do show IP route. So showing the routing table, you have this information now. Okay. Okay, we are now connected at 192.168.1.0 10.0. Okay. Now, in this manner, sir, wala lagi ko makita ang naa dito nga sa post sa bigihatag niya, right? So there is one command there that we are going to put this command here. Okay, para we are going to put the what I call this one, the default information originate from this router, so that i-appeal niya so that this router will implement the default static route to all routes connected onto it. Okay, so look at that one, default information originate. Okay, so this is the command in order for us to identify, in order for us to put the default static route to all. So kung tanaw na to karon dire, tanawa ha, your routing tables bare, but this time dugay pa siya, no? Okay, atong ikuan sabi, do show IP route. Oh, you good. There you are. Okay, so naa na siya additional information. O stands for SPF. Okay, then the asterisk stands for a candidate default. So meaning all of this router, pagkakita niya, ipasa niya dito sa default route. Okay, because there is an asterisk there that says, uy, at this network na ay default route, oh. Okay, and E2 is what we call external type 2, OSPF external type. So when we say OSPF external type, pasabot na, there is a linked static route which is not part of the OSPF. Okay, it's not part of the OSPF, but it is part of the network. And in this case, static route atong gigamit. So this is how you read it. Okay, so how about inspecting this one? Since we are connected at this router here, so kung i-do show run na to, do show IP route, so basically makakita pod ko this one. So if you look at this one, naan ako OSPF IA. Saan siya IA? That is in inter-area OSPF there. Naan ako inter-area OSPF. So meaning this router here, this router sees this router here. Look at that, because it's 10.10.10.0. So it recognizes this network now because of the OSPF. But this OSPF, since this is area 0 and this is area 1, iyang gisulat as inter-area. Excuse me. Okay? Yeah, in that communication now, in that part of the communication, kakita po siya sa external link pagawas ngadto. So all information now will be sent to, if ever mangita siya IP address which is not existing between the three, it always goes to the top. That's the idea. Okay, so let's try to move on and configure some of the configuration here, and we are going to perform summarized. Okay, int SE0000 IP add 192.168.2.1 255.255.0, enter, no shot. Okay, nataan na.